Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
Yes. So today we will discuss regarding the future tense. Yes, we will discuss regarding the future tense. So first of all, the simple future. The simple future tense is used for an action that has still to be taken place. That has still to be taken place. For example, I will see him tomorrow. Okay. So likewise, it is used. They will play a match in the evening. So what it is telling about? It is about an action that is going to take place there in the future, in the time to come. Okay, so you write it. You write it there in your notebook. Simple future tense is used. Simple future tense is used for an action for an action that has still to take place. Write the example. I shall see him tomorrow. They will play the match in the evening. Okay, sir, move the camera on your right side. Yeah, now you are able to see. So the simple future tense is used for an action that has still to take place. Okay, it is used for an action that has still to take place. Okay. For example, I shall see him. I shall see him tomorrow. They will play the match. Okay, so shall or will is used, and it is telling about an action that had still to take place. Okay, so you do it. Tell me if you have completed. Uh, okay, do it. Complete it. Then we will write the next one. Yes, students, complete it. Then the next it is regarding the future continuous. Future continuous. Okay, the future continuous tense, what it does, it indicates the continuity of a work, of a task there in the future. The future continuous is used to express an action going on at some point of time in future. It tells about an action going on at some point of time in future. So you write future continuous is Future continuous is used to express the action going on at some point of time in future. Write the example. I shall be I shall be reading the paper and yes. So future continuous tense is used to express an action going on at some point of time. It is used for what? It is used for an action going on at some point of time in future. Okay, it indicates the continuity of an action there in future. I shall be reading the paper then. I shall be reading the paper then. What does it indicates? It is indicating, it is expressing an action at some point of time there in future. I shall be reading the paper then. You write the other example. They will be, they will be playing, they will be playing a match at that time. They will be playing a match at that time. They will be playing a match at that time. Okay, so it is what they will be playing a match at that time. What it is indicating? It is indicating that a work will remain in continuity there at some point of time there in future. So they will be. What will be used? Will be. Will be is used to indicate continuity of the work there in future. Shall be. Okay. So will be, it is indicating that will be plus ing. It is indicating that it is that of future continuous. And in future I shall, they will plus first form of. Okay, simple future will plus first form of the verb, and here will be plus ing form of the verb. Okay, so you write it. Then we will move for the next. It is, yes, it is regarding the future perfect. I am writing this side. Future perfect, future perfect tense. Yes, future perfect tense. Okay, so you write about the future perfect tense. The future perfect tense is used that future perfect tense is used to to indicate the completion of an action by a certain future time, right? A certain future time. Okay, it is used for what? The future perfect tense is used to indicate the completion of an action by a certain future time. That an action will be completed by this time there in future. For example, I said I finished my homework by evening. I shall have finished my homework by evening. Okay. I shall have finished. I shall have finished my homework by evening. Okay. So what is important? Shall or will have plus third form of the verb. Okay. So this is the example that of future perfect tense. The future perfect tense is used to indicate the completion of an action by a certain time there in the past. To write another example, she will have cleared the room before you reach there. Ink. She will have cleaned the room before you reach there. Okay. So the example, she will have cleaned the room before you reach there. Okay. So the verb form is will have plus third form of the verb. Okay. So do it, children. Anuj, Ahir. Yeah, complete it, all of you. Yes, children, completed or not?
Complete, sir.
Tushali, your voice is not coming. Tushali, God. Okay, Manthan, do it. Complete it. Complete it, children. So, simple future tense. Will plus first form of the verb. Will plus first form of the verb. Okay. It tells about what? It tells about an action that has still to take place. Any action that has still to take place. Then future continuous tense, it tells about an action that will be going on, at some point of time in future. Future continuous is used to express an action going on at some point of time in future. As I shall be reading the paper then, at that time I will be reading a paper. Okay, so what it is doing? It is indicating the continuity of a task there in future. They will be playing a match at that time. Okay, so will be plus ing form. And then we have discussed regarding the future perfect tense. Okay, so the future perfect tense is used to indicate the completion of an action. The completion of an action by a certain future time. That by this time, this work will be completed there in future. So I shall have finished my homework by evening. Okay. So what will be used here? Shall or will plus have plus third form of the verb. She will have cleaned the room before you reach. So will have plus third form of the verb. So likewise it is used. I hope you have written this side what I have written. So you write the next, that is future perfect continuous. You write the next task, children, the future perfect continuous. Future perfect, future perfect continuous, future perfect continuous is used. The future perfect continuous tense is used when action is to continue till some point of time in the future. Yeah. The future perfect continuous tense is used when an action is to continue till some point of time in the future. The future perfect is used when an action is to continue till some point of time or for some period of time there in future. Some point of time or some period of time there in the future. Okay. For example, by 6 o'clock, by 6 o'clock, I will have been sitting here for 10 hours. Okay. So by 6 o'clock, I will have been sitting here for 10 hours. So it indicates that the work will remain in continuity there in future. It started earlier, okay, and then it started before some time and it will remain in continuity. So the future perfect continuous tense is used when an action is to continue till some point of time in the future. It will remain in continuity till some point of time there in the future. So what is that point of time? By 6 o'clock, I will have been sitting here for 10 hours. So that point of time is by 6 o'clock. Okay. So the task remain in continuity up to some period of time there in future. So by 6 o'clock, I will have been, and it comes will have been sitting. Will have been sitting. Okay. So will have been plus ing form of the verb. And what is the other thing? That is for or since. The use of for or since. That remains there in perfect continuous tense. For, as we have already discussed, is used for a period of time. As 10 hours. 10 hours is what? It is a period of time. And point of time. Okay. For example, if it would have been given a point of time, then since is used. Okay, you write the next example. We joined this office in the month of March. This office in the month of March. By December, he will have been working here for 10 months. Okay. He joined this office in the month of March. By December, he will have been working. He will have been working. Okay. So he will have been working. What is the point of time? The point of time is by December. This is the point of time in future. This is the point of time in future. And will have been working here for 10 months. Will have been working. That is indicating the continuity of the verb. Okay. So will plus have plus been plus ing form of the verb. What it does? Future perfect continuous. The future perfect continuous tense is used when an action is to continue till some point of time there in the future. It is used to tell that some verb will remain in continuity by this particular point of time there in future. as it is discussed there in the examples. By 6 o'clock, I will have been sitting here. So by 6 o'clock, that is the future time difference. Okay, and it is indicating the continuity of the work for how many hours? For 10 hours. When we joined this office in the month of March, by December, that is the future point of time. By December, he will have been working here for 10 months. Okay, so likewise, it is used. Yes, children, you have completed or not? Yes. Yashoda completed. What about others? Karisma Meghwal completed. Manthan Singh completed. You use your mic, children. Unmute your mic and then speak. Unmute
Complete,
your
sir.
mic and then speak.
Completed, sir.
Yes, Kusali, speak there on
Completed,
mic.
sir.
You have completed or not?
Completed, sir.
Completed,
Kusali, okay,
sir.
it's not coming here.
Completed, sir.
Komal is also
Completed,
speaking.
sir.
Shubham. Okay.
Completed, sir.
Okay, children. To complete it, then I will give you examples. Okay,
Completed, sir.
complete it. Then we will solve the examples. I will give you some examples to do. In exam, you will be asked fill in the blanks with the correct form of the verb. Okay, so the verb may be supplied there in the bracket, and as per the tense, you have to supply the correct form of the verb, so that you should be in a position to identify that what is the tense about which time, and what is the correct form of the verb that you should supply in a particular sentence. Okay, completed. Is there any child who has not completed? Is there anyone who has not completed? All of you completed. If any child who has not completed what we have discussed, please write your name. Completed all of you. Okay. So let me proceed. Let me write this side. So you write some of the examples and then complete. Do the task there in your notebook and speak when I will ask you. Okay, when I will ask, at that time you have to provide your response. Okay. You write it, and then you have to supply the correct form of the verb. You provide your answer when I will ask you. I often yes water. Yes, children, what verb forms will be supplied in the given blanks? See seldom. See seldom. Here it will come. Children, when seldom and all these are coming, then it is okay. It comes there in the Simple present. So what it will come? She seldom sees. She seldom sees a movie. She seldom sees a movie. Okay. Then the next is I often after lunch. I often. Okay. Seldom, often, never. So I often after lunch. So what it will become? I often with I it will remain rest. Yes. I often rest after lunch. Okay. Then water at 100 degrees Celsius. So this is what? This is a general fact. Okay. So it will become water boils at 100 degrees centigrade. Then see very well. See very well. See very well. So the verb form is sing. Yeah, she is singing very well. If the work is there in continuity, okay, or say sings, she sings very well. She sings very well. Okay. So likewise, you have to supply with the correct form of the verb. Then you write the next examples. Yes. The baby cry because he is hungry now. Okay, as it is, the baby cry because he is hungry now. He is hungry now. So that you have to focus on that the tense is directing you in which time period. Okay, then six right. Then the workman repair the workman repaired road the road near our house. The workman at present. Yes. So what will come in the next two? The workman repaired the road near our house at present. Yeah. The baby because he is hungry now. So now it is indicating the continuity of the task. So the baby is crying. The baby is crying. The baby is crying. Then the workman repaired the road near our house at present. At present. Okay. So at present is indicating the continuity. Man, man, it is there. So that is plural. Okay. So it will become the workmen are repairing. The workmen are repairing. Okay. A Gia ing. So ing before that is am are or was verb that is to be used before ing. So as per the tense you have to use here it is that of present continuous. Okay, and plural is there. So are plus ing you have to use. Okay. Now let me write some more examples. Yeah, right. someone break his crockery. Let's write the example, children. Someone break this crockery, then he tell me that already. Okay, already. Okay, then you write the next one. You will be bought a scooty when you learn driving. Okay, sir, move the camera. Okay, so someone break this crockery. What it will become? The work has been taken place, already completed. So someone break this crockery already. Okay, so someone broke this crockery. Yeah, that will become simple past. Or you can say someone has broken. Someone broke this crockery. That will also be correct. Or someone has broken. Someone has broken this crockery. So that means that the work has completed before some time. Then he tell me that already. He tell me that already. Okay, so what it will become? That will not come. Subham Kumar, he is telling me. That will not come. He either you can say he told me that already, or he has told me. He has told me that already. Okay. Then you will be bought a scooty. You will be bought a scooty when you will be bought a scooty. This will be done. But when you driving. Yeah. Yes, Tejas. Now tell about the next one. 8. You will be bought a scooty when driving. Yes. You will be bought a scooty when you will be bought a scooty when. Yes, what will come there in the next one? You will be bought a scooty when we are learning what it is. Charisma. You will be bought a scooty when you. Either you can say Jia Patil when you will learn driving. Okay. Or either it is when you have learned. You will be bought a scooty when you have learned driving. Okay. You will be bought a scooty when you have learned. When you have learned driving. Okay. You will be bought a scooty when you have learned. If this task will be completed by you, then you will be bought a scooty. You will be provided a scooty. So you will be bought a scooty when you have learned driving. Okay. Then children write there some more examples. India become India blank become independent in 1947. So the time period is that of past. So you tell what will come when I visit Mumbai 2 years, 2 times between 2006 and 2009. Okay, I Mumbai 2 times between 2006 and 2009. Okay, yeah, India became independent in 1947. India became independent in 1947. This is wrong. Became only. Became is the second form. Okay, Jia became. Shubham became. Okay, so India became independent in 1947. Then I Mumbai 2 times between 2006 and 2009. It is about the past. So I visited. Yes, Karisma. I visited. So it is about the past. Likewise, you have to write Alexander invade India 2000 years 2000 years ago. Yeah, Alexander invade India 2000 years ago. So what will come here? Alexander blank in bracket the verb form. No, it's invaded. Invaded. DED. Shubham invaded. Tejas Alexander invaded to make an attack. Okay, so Alexander invaded India 2000 years ago. Is it clear to you? Alexander invaded India 2000 years ago. Okay, so children, the time is up for this class. Okay, so you complete all this there in your notebook and make more and more practice. Okay, then you will learn. I will also provide some exercise there at the Google Classroom app also. Okay, so you complete it there in your notebook and make more and more revision. The more and more revision you will make, the more and more learning will be done. Okay.